let me look for it. There it is. There it is.
Stop.
That home screen.
Why?
Let's edit it. Okay.
I barely poked you with it.
Ow!
Ow.
Poke me again.
I did.
Yeah, you did.
Sitting over here.
Possum. I came here to play.
Possum.
Hmm.
Possums are cute.
What's a possum anyway?
One of those little rat things. And they got fur on them. They're just so adorable, aren't they? Yeah.
They're
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Have you?
Yeah, I am a possum.
Just like you. Oh, roasted him.
That was bad. And please don't do the common cliches of our modern generation.
You didn't know what it means.
Yeah, I do. I know what cliche means. I know what the modern generation is.
You won't have it?
Yes. I'm sick of this roasting stuff. But then again, I'm the one spinning the fidget spinner. I should probably keep my mouth closed. Stupid modern generation. I should have been born in 1978. 70s are good times. Disco and muscle cars.
Why couldn't they like